Why aren't you, what are you doing? Like, why aren't you wearing your uniforms? The British are coming.
The laundry person mixed the darks with the whites and it changed color.
Well, get a washing machine. Just get information for battle.
My head doesn't feel so well.
Well, stop complaining. We're about to go into battle.
Hello? Can I get an Uber? Thank you. Just this, please.
That'll be $100,000.
Thank you.
Good money.
Hello? Can I get an Uber back to... Thank you. Wow, I'm hungry. You guys want me to order something?
Let's just get some oatmeal.
Let's just order some pepperoni pizza.
Okay. Hello? Can I get one pepperoni pizza? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Let's see.
What? This isn't pepperoni. This is pineapple. Wait, why are you eating the pineapple pizza?
I just took the pineapple off.
Oh.